Hi, my name is Kathy Sabato. I'm a mortgage planner and proud veteran. And as promised from yesterday's video, it's late, but I'm giving you a video. How can you become a cash buyer? Well, there's several ways to get it done. So, one, New American Funding has a sister company that is allowing us the opportunity, whether you are selling to buy or you're just a buyer. There are certain requirements that are needed in order for us to help you. So how does this really help you? So yesterday's video talked about cash is king, right? So if you feel defeated, you want to give up on the market, don't do it. Keep on, because at the end of the day, we are here to help you. Now there's different strategies based on purchase price, right? How much money you have to put down. And of course, there's a fee associated. Now, when you think about it, if we have to charge you, it's about 2% here in California. Remember, we're nationwide, except for the state of Hawaii. Can't do that one right now, okay? So with that being said, it's about 2% of the purchase price, okay? We work on rolling those costs into your new home. Easy math. You buy something for 600,000 times 2 is 612. So you're going to make a cash offer for 600,000. New American Funding and Kathy Sabater are going to get you pre-approved, okay, for 612, and we'll discuss how much money you need to put down. 20% down, 10% down, 15% down. It all depends on the scenario, right? Are you going conventional, high balance, jumbo, FHA, and VA? They all have different parameters, and you will have to put money down, but get it right. You're still making a cash offer, okay? We're going to pre-approve you based on those different criteria that you qualify for, okay? So now I'm putting another link within the video so you can see New American Funding's video, so it kind of explains a little bit more on how the program works, but you're going to have to call me, right? 619-846-2675, and let's help you get the home that you want, whether you have to sell to buy or you're buyer frustrated because some cash offers are beating you out. Okay? Stay safe, and I will talk to you soon.